What is this truck doing? So today, we are out on Zach's. Y'all know Zach from the dealership. His ZX14. And we're going to be reviewing how I just did this. I don't even have to hit the shifter. I'm a straight rider. I'm a straight rider. I'm a straight rider. So that's Lou up front on his Gixxer 1000. He gonna go into them corners a little deep, which I'm not gonna be doing that. This is probably my second time riding this ZX14, and the first time was just at night, just to bring it to my house. But so I got to get used to a bike before I start ripping on it. I'm gonna do a series of videos on this bike. They'll probably end up being about 4 or 5. But this video, we're reviewing the Pingel Electronic Shifter, which is basically this button right here, and it allows you to shift gears without even releasing your throttle. I don't even got to let go of the throttle at all, or pull in the clutch, and it'll just shift. It's the quickest shifting I have ever seen in my entire life. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute here. Man, it just shifts so fast, and I could just let my feet rest on the pegs. I don't have to go under there and kick it up. Like, this is game changing. I feel like bikes should start coming with that as an option. Like, if you get it new from the dealership, you know, the Pingel shifter should just be an option that comes with them, because it'll help out a lot of people, like a lot. All right, so let's see what this shifter can do. Oh my God. It shifts so quick. It's ridiculous. But like I was saying, this shifter would be game changing for people with like disabilities, who have like a stiffness in their foot. He about to hit this corner. I'm not. I knew it. See, he got this big 240 rear tire on here, and I'm not that familiar with the lean angle yet. Man, that shifter, that's a game changer. But like I was saying, hold on, let me get with Lou. The shifter basically would make it so easy for someone who has problems with their foot or something like that, where they don't have to even worry about shifting, because all you do is hit that button right there and it takes care of it for you. And at first I didn't think I would like it, but I literally love this thing. I love the shifter, and I have never been a huge fan of the ZX14. But after riding his, I really like this bike. But it's just because of how he has his set up, which I'll be reviewing more of the different parts that he has on this bike in the series I'm currently making, and some of the other videos I'm gonna put out. I'm not gonna talk about everything on this video. Today we're just talking about this Pingel shifter. And I have not touched the shifter yet. I have not put my foot on it. And this just, bam, just pops it right into the next gear. I love that. The ease of it. At first, I'm not gonna lie, when he told me, he was like, just hit the button. I'm like, nah, I ain't hitting that button, because I ain't know what it would do. But it's game changing. I kind of want it on my R6. Maybe Pingle will see this review and decide to hook me up so I can review one for the R6. But you never know. This is a smooth riding bike, I tell you that. Now when I downshift, I do pull the clutch in before I hit the button, because I don't want that you know, that engine brake to be too harsh. I don't see a single person not liking this Pingle gear shifter. I can't see someone not liking it. And what it is it's just 2 buttons right here by my left hand, and when you hit it up, it disengages the ignition for a quick second, so it's almost like letting off your throttle to shift gears, and then it's like, I'd call it like a piston. It's an electronic shifter that's mounted on the left side of the bike that basically shifts the shifter for you. It's electronic, and it's computerized, so it does it faster than any human could ever even think of doing it. It's just like pow, it's like instantaneous, and you don't even have to let go of your gas. You don't have to let go of the throttle at all, and it just, man, it's game changing. I have not heard about this until Zach told me about it, and he told me about it a while ago, but I never, you know, was actually familiar with it, or I was like, oh no, that sounds kind of weird, but I love it. He told me I like it, and I feel like every bike needs to have one of these on them, or at least as an option. Now, sometimes I do still hit my hit the shifter, and that's the good thing, is you still can use your shifter the regular way. Sometimes I'll downshift with it still, because I'm still getting used to remembering that that's right there. Oh, listen to that. You got the dual Voodoo exhaust on here. Now this bike heavy, it got some weight, you can feel it, it's a big boy. That shifter, and I didn't even hit the power band none since I've been riding it. I don't even feel like I need to hit the power band on those ZX14. Like, I don't know what's going on right here. Is it church? Church, I think. And you can, as you can see, you can use it in slow speed or high speed. You just hit it and it shifts. Doesn't jerk. What was that? That was huge. Smacked the crap out of my helmet. Doesn't jerk at all. It's just a nice smooth shift. Let me go take some pictures. Oh, they changed it. I can do it right here. All right, I'm gonna check back in a sec. So I try to give y'all suggestions on things I feel like are beneficial or worth it. Just like my tack form mount on my other bikes. You know, if it's a good product, I'm definitely gonna shout them out and suggest people to actually try it out or purchase it. And when it comes to this Pingle shifter, I'm gonna have to suggest it. I'm gonna suggest people to try it out. It's an amazing product, very unique design, and a good idea. I mean, I know there's motorcycles out there that are, you call them semi-auto, where you just press a button to shift. But some people would love the option to be able to use a button to shift, as well as shift it the traditional way. And this product gives you that option. So I'm definitely gonna suggest people into looking into this, because I might look into one myself. I think they cost a wee bit, so I might not be able to justify the cost of it right now, but if things get better, as far as me having a lot of extra financial income to add things on to my motorcycle or to add on to the channel, then I'm definitely going to be looking into something like this. But for you as a viewer, and if you're watching this video and you're actually thinking about an electronic shifter, I'm gonna have to say get one. Now I'm gonna talk to y'all more about the ZX14 in another video on if I would suggest this as a motorcycle to own, just for my short time I'm gonna get to spend with the bike. But right now I'm about to have some fun, so I guess this is going to be called the fun part of the video. Oh, still getting used to that big ass tire back there. So y'all are about to get to see the Pingle in action here a little bit. It's a lot of traffic though, and just like I'm riding right now, I thought he was gonna take off, honestly. But how I'm riding right now, the shifter is just so convenient. I have not had to kick shift or touch the shifter down below at all yet. Maybe a few times when I forget that I got the button there, but that's only been on downshifting. Why is it so crowded is my question. Now the one thing with his bike, with all the mods he's done to it, the speedo is off by quite a bit. What you're reading on the speedometer ain't accurate at all. Alright, Lou about to take this corner, I already know. Something ridiculous. Y'all pay attention to his lean angle. Watch. Oh, it did a little slip right there. That's this concrete. It ain't made to lean though. This is a straight line machine. Do I personally suggest looking into the Pingle shifter? Definitely, hands down. Take a look at it. But if you want to see more videos on Zach's ZX14, check out this playlist right here. But as always, stay safe, be blessed, and get out there on two wheels, people. It's your boy, Infinit Ryda, signing out. Deuces. Love y'all.